I'm a black mermaid from the bottom of the sea. I will teach you how to love me. In the greatness I will lead you, 'cause I'm a black mermaid.
Hey guys, it's Dievaaaaa. Welcome to my beauty channel. Today I'll be showing you guys exactly how I got this mermaid look. I originally tried to put the shadow on over the fishnets without the white base underneath, but I noticed that with my skin being dark, you need to put some type of light base down so that the colors show up more vibrant. This eyeshadow palette I did end up getting from the beauty store for only like $8, and the colors are amazing in it. It really was a great steal. But pretty much I'm just tapping in different colors of eyeshadow wherever I feel a need. Get really creative with it, guys. I did personally decide to do the more rainbow colored theme, but you guys can do any colors you want. Switch it up, make it your own. Now, I pretty much continue this exact same method around my entire face in the areas that I choose to have fish scales showing. If you want to see what it turns out to look like, just keep watching. Now, if you want to see more from me, you can follow me on social networks at Dievaaaaa Beauty. I'm on Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube, as you guys know, at Dievaaaaa Beauty. That's GODIEVA and then beauty. I recently started a new challenge for my YouTube, and that's the 31 days of Halloween with Dievaaaaa, which is me, Dievaaaaa. And pretty much I'm just going to be doing a new Halloween look every day for the month of October. So if you're interested in seeing more ideas that I've posted, just check my Instagram, Facebook, or my YouTube page out. All right, guys, thanks for watching. Enjoy. If you enjoyed the video, give me a thumbs up and follow and like me on all social networks. If there's anything that you guys want to see me do, just comment below or inbox me. I love to get you guys' feedback. Thanks for watching.